Hello and welcome to Triangular version 4. In this one, we are going to be showing you the basics of Angular so you can actually build your own applications using it. Now, the idea here is to build a simple yet robust website that uses a lot of the Angular fundamentals. What you see right now is actually an example of what you'll be building. And it's fairly easy, it's fairly straightforward to do it. And once you understand how this works, your Angular knowledge is just going to stack and stacking it better. Something you'll notice is a little search feature. We actually have a way to search within Angular. This is not using a backend, it's just using Angular. So that's kind of a preview of things to come. But what you want to know before you actually get started, you're definitely going to want to know about TypeScript, because Angular is written in TypeScript. So to learn more about that, definitely check out this right here. That series will actually show you a lot more about TypeScript, at least the basics and the fundamentals, to get you ready for this series. That's why it actually exists. Now, what is TypeScript? TypeScript is essentially basically a language that turns into JavaScript. So it essentially is JavaScript. It uses JavaScript, but it also has some of its own syntax. So that's why you're going to want to check it out, because Angular completely uses TypeScript. It's something that is already built into the Angular system. So having some understanding about it is actually really important. So the next thing, I do actually recommend that you check out our GitHub. That is joincfe.com/GitHub. On there we have all the reference code for Triangular version 4. Now, if you use that code in conjunction with the videos, because the code goes video by video, you can actually compare what you write with what we actually wrote in the video itself. It's a really good tool for that. So if you have any questions on this series, please let us know in the comments below. And also definitely consider subscribing on YouTube, joincfe.com/YouTube. That will redirect you to our channel. Hit that subscribe button and join us there. Without further ado, let's actually go ahead and get started with Angular right now.